Then we already in our phone display. Then we can use any apps, which one you like, but I like Pcard because I think this one's the best. So we open Pcard, then we can see same play. Then we click the plus icon, okay. Then we will select our background. Background we select green skin, okay. Then after I will add text. We will write our channel name, Akash Vlogs PD, then done. Make little big, and you can change from which one you like, but I use normal always. This one, okay, big, okay, done. Okay, next, then we can save now. Save, done. After finish here, we just exit. Okay, then after you can use any background eraser. You can use anyone, but I use this one always. I will leave the link in description. You can download this one also. Okay, we make this one. Say done. Make little big. For we select the auto. Okay, then just like that, like that. We done. Okay, you see, can this one. Then we can save, finish. Then we exit. Now we're going to KineMaster. When you open KineMaster, you can see something like this, the interface. Okay, so you click plus icon. If you there have many options, you can see for YouTube. If you do for YouTube, you can choose 16 by 9. 19 by 6 is for Instagram for mobile. So we choose 16 by 9. Okay? There. Now image. You click the image for background. I choose the background black. Okay. Then done. We'll make little big this one. Okay. Make it 10 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds. Done. We go to layer. Then media. Then we choose any color picture. You can download from Google. Which one I have? I just download. So I select this one. We make little big this one. Okay, done. Also we make this one then 10 seconds. Same this one, then done. After again we go media, then our channel name. We make it big. Okay, then done. Make also 10 seconds same. Then you can see now if you play there's nothing, right? So what we have to do, we just click the background picture, which one we select for light, then overall animation, click. There have many options, which one you like you can select, but this one I think is good, so I select this one always. This one, okay, I select this one. Then now if I play, you can see it's amazing, right? Okay, done. Now what we do, we export. Okay, we export. Well, you check before export. You can check the quality, QHD, FHD, HD. Then always try the best QHD. Okay, and then we export. We need little time, few seconds for exporting, so we can wait. We're done. Now we can see also, if we play this one, we can watch how this look. Let's see. You can see like that. Okay, then we go back. Done again we go to KineMaster. Again we come to KineMaster. Same, we select same display size, 16 by 9. Now it's typical, you can choose your media, which one video intro you want to make. So which one we can take. Okay, I select this one and just click OK. See, I have so many here. Okay, done. If you play, let's say stop, just stop. Now you just click on the video, then you can see the scissor here. You click, then we need to remove left. Okay, trim to left, click left, and this one gone. Now video will start from here. Okay, done. Here is finish. Go back here, and it's finished. Then same we trim to right because we need only this one. Okay, if you play, you can see like that. And then now what I do, we select where we put our channel name here. Must be here. Okay, go to layer here, and we select our channel. What one we make? This one. Okay, we make it big. First we have to do, when you import this one, you just go comma key. You can see comma key. Then you make it enable. Okay, done. See, we adjust this one 19. Okay, that's good. Okay, done. Watch again. Then we cropping, then done. Our intro is ready. Okay, then touch again, we trim to right. Now it's same. Okay, what we have to do now, when you open, this is come to first, then we turn to, start from where we touch again this one, then go to scissor from to left. Now it's perfect. Again, if we open, this is not good, right? Because this one comes directly. We make left. What we can do, we adjust this one first. Okay, is this one first. Now what we like, come directly right. Then what we do, we just click this one, click our channel name, then go to in animation. Okay, then you can have many options there, which one you like. This one, cover this, I think it's nice. You can choose anything. I just show you. You can check, you can try all, which one you like, you can put, no problem. See, now it's good. Okay, so you see the video is finished, but your logo name is still here. So what we do, we just out animation. Okay, then we go to out animation, how we like that, how you like, down this one, how isn't this one. Okay, then we try again. This one is no, it's good, right? Now what we do, we just go export, then I export. Your video is ready, so we can watch from here, and we can go exit. It's just here, and we can find it our gallery. Okay, gallery in video, anywhere where you save this one. Our intro is ready. Let's check. It's amazing, right?